Hello everyone, my name is Voodafine. Welcome back to Slime Rancher 2. In the last video, we finally managed to figure out how to get to one of the new islands. I suspect getting to one of the other island, it'll be a similar process. For now, I want to go ahead and explore this island to see what's new. Alright, begin. A lot of pinks still. Nothing too new about those. Oh, those guys are starving. Wonder what new foods and stuff are. I'm gonna avoid getting pink ones for the time being. I really want to see what's new around this place. Okay, a lot of tabbies. What's that? Whoa, radiant. I'll actually make the cat sounds now. Whoa, whoa, what are these guys? Angler slime, so pretty. Let me just get a little closer. It must. What's this? No, nothing. Let's see, is there anything up here I can get? It seems to be. What's this? Oh. I wonder where this could send me. Oh. Oh, sweet, heartbeats. Oh, another one of those. More heartbeats. I forgot which one likes this. I'll find out shortly. Soon enough. What's this one saying? Accessing EGG log. I know I'm on a mission here, but that hasn't changed anything about these geysers. They're still fun as heck. I think I can afford a few minutes for a splash like the old days. Oh, there are a lot of geysers over here. Oh. Oh, those guys. Oh. Well, that sends me. Come on, get. Ah, dang. Ah, I almost got it. Wait, can I get this? There we go. E. Ooh, nice. This is a new island, huh? Wonder where that is. Not enough. I think I have enough tabbies for a while. Maybe add more later on. Whoa. I'm hearing guitar music. Why? Oh, probably because I'm in a more hostile environment. Whoa, where am I going? Whoa, what the? Whoa. Batty slime, a fiendish stalker of the night, hungry always for fruit. Okay, they're fruit eaters. Whoa, where is that? Ooh, those guys are like a little more dangerous. They eat meat. What is that guy? So that's what the boom slimes look like now, huh? Looks like I'll have to come back for these guys. What? What the fuck that guy get out? Oh shit, that's a lot of chickens. What's their diet? Fruit. Ooh, I need to get some food in you guys. Let's see, how's... Ooh, jeez. Oh man, it's... Yeah, a lot of you guys. So, and oh, hey, you're not getting away from me. And get some fruit in you guys somehow. Let's deposit these things in this thing. That'll probably unlock something for me. Nice, upgraded. Oh, okay. So I can get dash boosts using boom plorts. Okay, jetpack I can get with a radiant ore. Nice, silky stand. Probably get from one of those mineral stone things. That'll probably get from somewhere close to like the ocean. Still don't know how to get that yet. Same with that. Okay, but most of those things I still don't know how to get them yet. Let's check your. Oh man, these guys are starved. Better fruit. These guys are fruit. Go gather some food for you, fruit for you guys, real quick. Oh, they're floating. Oh, sweet. Got some. Oh, now I have fruit. I should upgrade this. Let's see, not enough for that at all. Sprinkler ensures that your crops are always watered, making them grow twice as fast. I definitely should get that. Scare slime is a stuffed tar model designed to keep watering slimes away from your crops. Don't think I really have to worry about that so much. Doesn't seem like slimes really wander into your ranch all that often. Alright, let's gather some of you guys. Alright. Oh, got a lot of those pink ones. Might as well cash them in too. I think I do have too many of those guys, honestly. Might be better if I... Oh, that guy's still starved. Alright. Oh, those guys get... I think that's the one I have right now. I think I have a lot. Damn. If only I could get the gold one. I always see that and I panic. Maybe I should have teamed you up with a meat eater one. Alright, let's gather some pink ones. And I'm way off with my aim right now. Let's see. Let's get a silo, I think. Take it with you when you go, put it in. Yeah, I'm gonna do that. I can put those away. since I don't need them at the moment. Let's see. Upgrade that a little bit. I'm gonna eject some of you guys. Need to do it, but don't have any other. I don't feel like I have any other choice. You guys can go there for now. Alright. Should have enough to upgrade this a little bit more. Do I want another corral? I think I'll do another corral first. E. Damn, 30 more. I just need 30. Alright, let's pause you. The meat. I do. Oh, no, I would need to wait from that, I think. Let's see, how much does this give? 24. It's not bad. Wait. Okay, I did toss him a couple extra. This thing is getting crowded. Come with me. Elder Rooster shakes his tail feathers and no one cares. Well, you've had a good life. Any of you still hungry? Yes, you are. Perfect. Oh. More you. More you. Let's see. Still the same number. Guess I'll gather you guys up again. I'll put you in with angler guys. And I'll gather some of these up. Damn, still not enough. Let's see. The nutrient soil contains compost, the rainbow fields, and minerals from Ember Valley makes crops always yield the maximum harvest. Sprinkler. I think I need that first. That. Hopefully, I think that should make it go faster, right? Hope so. I can put that one away. Oh, the rooster. Oh, you guys are a little more valuable. Those ones aren't. There we go. I'm gonna gather some more fruit for you. How many is that? 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. These 7 thingies. What's this? Oh, Mochi Miles. Well, what do you know? Beatrix Luo off on another adventure and didn't think to take her good pal, sometimes rival and forever mentor Mochi Miles. Seriously, B. Next time you go running off to dangerous, uncharted territory, could you at least give me a heads up? I'd like to be there for you in case you need me. Help collect all those valuable resources that need to be scattered all over the island. What? You think I wasn't going to do a little recon on my own? What good are surveillance satellites if they can't snoop on stuff? Anyway, be careful out there. The island gives me a kind of weird vibe, so I'm going to keep poking around. Oh, and since I know you're starting from scratch out there, take this Foundry link. Should make things easier for you. I'll just put it on your tab later, taters. Ooh, cool. Tab. How do I open the tab thing? Oh, damn. These guys are starved. Oh. Shit. Let's gather these up. How's that guy still alive? How are you still alive? Or not alive? Still out. Does the sun not affect them? Maybe not. I mean, if that's the case, then do I really need the support shield? There you go. Oh shit. I'll need to get a soul. I need to. No, you don't. Ah, shit. They're less floaty when they're not hungry. Oh wait, you're not gonna eat that. Forgot. Alright. Oh. You know what? Yeah, it's a lot of them. Elder Collector. Safely and gently remove elder chickens away from the younger generation and stores them in a collector. Oh, that'd be useful. I don't have enough for that yet. Something new. Beatrix. I've done it. I believe I've cracked the super mysterious code that was sent to me. It was astoundingly complex. I believe that the AI that created this code displays a comparable intelligence to my own. Intellect to my own. So very advanced, almost alien. Oh, you're probably wondering what it said. Well, I determined this mysterious perhaps even alien AI sent a message that says, "Hello?" Not much, but pleasantries count for something. More importantly, though, the moment I cracked it, I received another message. It's almost as though this mysterious AI is monitoring me. How exciting. I haven't decrypted it yet, but the code is considerably more complex. This should be fun. Well, back to work as ever. That's cool. Let's see, I think should be good to go. This should be set for now. Okay, what shows us? Maybe it's okay. Okay, you guys are a little bit flyy. You stay down. Oh, no, yeah. Okay, so yeah, definitely, I guess after a little bit of time they did crack a little bit. Personally, these guys are relatively friendly, I think. I mean, at least I haven't taken any damage from them. Oh. I think I'm almost ready to head back to the other island. Okay, yeah, I definitely need the solar shield. Let's see. Does that do it? Oops. Seems. Oh yeah. Look. I think I still need that though to keep him from escaping though. That's for sure. Older hen, an old bird whose egg-laying days are over easy. Good pun. Oops. There we go. It means you should be eating. Oh, you're hungry. Now I just need the air nut and I'll be fine. There we go. I have enough now. That should. You guys should not be able to escape now. Alright, time to head back to the new area. Let's go back to the area where I found the boomers and the other guys. Wherever the hell that was. It might have been in there. I can't remember. I should have checked the map when I was in there. Go this way. I guess I'll gather. Should I gather one of you? I guess I will. Oh shit. Sorry, slimy, so I tried to help. But it just wasn't gonna happen. Gather one of you up. And one of you. Damn it. You had to. Thank you. Crystal slime. It's clear and shiny. Transparent rocks that these slimes are dangerous. Ooh. I wonder if they're dangerous like the, Ow! Ow. That's not good. That's not good. Let's see where. Whoa. Down. Oh, stay away from you. Alright, where am I? Oh, crap. No, you don't. I'll deal with you. Hey, no. You go in that. You go that way. I think. Yeah, I already sort of dealt with you. Alright, let's head back for now. Well, I think that's about all I have time for in this episode. Fortunately, I was able to do a little bit of exploring, find some new slimes. But yeah, hope you all enjoyed that. If you did, please hit that like button, please comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Alright, bye bye.